Before tools, spells, crystals, or herbs, there's energy. If you learn this, everything else in witchcraft becomes easy. Let me show you how. I'm LadyStarFire, and I'm a 3rd degree high priestess here teaching you all the things that a beginner needs to know, along with other stuff. And today we're learning the most important foundation of all when it comes to working spells, your magic, your witchcraft. It's your energy. Energy is your #1 thing there, okay? Let's get started. Everything around you has energy vibration, whether it's your thoughts, your actions, your emotions, and just the space around you. Witchcraft is the art of working with all these vibrations with intention. The clearer and more aligned your energy is, the stronger your results. If you cast while you are scattered, you're drained, you're just not focused, well, guess what? Your results are going to show those same results. Grounding pulls your energy into alignment. That's why we always want to ground before we do things and after. It calms your body, it clears your mind, and it stabilizes your magic. Think of grounding like the plug-in, before you can turn something on. You got to plug it in, right? So plug in your grounding to get your energy in the right alignment so you can master your magic. Now, energy has to build before you can release it. Think of, you ever seen a compressor? You're going to air up a tire or something. That compressor has to build up pressure before it can put that air out. Same thing with your energy. You got to build it up before you have something to send out. And you can raise energy in so many different ways, right? You can do it with your breath. You can do it by chanting. You can do it with dancing, visualization, any type of rhythmic movement, whether it's movement or voice, but that rhythm helps raise the energy. And once you've got it raised, that's your fuel for your intention. Now, directing energy is what makes magic actually happen. This is the heart of your spell work. You take the energy that you raised, and now you're going to combine that with your intention, and then you're going to send that out and direct it to what you're trying to achieve. Your hands, your eyes, your breath, and your will is all combined to make the conduit for you and your magic to work. And don't forget about cleansing, because this removes blockages that stop your magic from working. It's kind of like the dust in your home. It just kind of lays there unless you clean and get rid of it. It's just like your energy. It just kind of lays around and gets stagnant if you don't keep your area cleansed. Cleansing your space, your tools, and yourself keeps your magic flowing freely. Now, one of the other very important things for you is practice. Remember, you're taught this from the time you're a child. Practice makes perfect, right? So we have to keep practicing. We have, the more you do something, the better you get at it, and the less mistakes you make, because it becomes like putting on your shoes in the morning, okay? And the more you work with energy, the more you'll feel it, okay? Even if you're somebody that thinks you don't feel, the more you work with it, the more you will feel it in some manner, whether it's little hairs trickling on your arm, or you literally feel that energy ball in your hand, okay? It's like when I teach you how to rub your hands together and you get that warmth and that tingle and the electricity that goes on, whether it's pulsing or vibrating or whatever it is that you're feeling. It's simply going to get stronger the more you practice, okay? So practice, 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 practice. You can never practice too much, all right? So just practice raising that energy, all right? And you will do great. If this makes sense to you and you actually want to learn how to use these skills and hone them in, come join my community and take my year and a day classes. This is a first year, it's a year and a day commitment, and I will teach you the foundations of everything that you need to know to have a firm foundation and be able to work your magic your way, okay? You can find my community in a platform called School, and that's SKOOL, and it's called Sacred Legacy Builders. And my classes are a year and a day. And once you complete those, you can move on to first degree if you want. But the first year moves you from a neophyte to a first degree priest or priestess. All right. So, and you will get a certification at the end of that time. And yes, there is homework involved. So don't think you can just come and you're going to learn everything and not have to do any work, because that is part of it. So I hope to see you in the community, and I hope to see you in the classes, because I would really love to teach you the deeper part of what this is showing you. Okay. And also, just to let you know, I have a brand new app. All right. It's called Sacred Legacy Portal. It's a web-based app. So you go to sacredlegacyportal.com. And once you get there, you can download it to your phone or your computer. And it's full of all sorts of things. All right. So, and I keep adding more and more things. And if you want it's free to join, just like the community is. But if you want to be able to unlock everything, it's only $10 a month. It's very, low. It's just enough to help me pay for the platform. All right. So I hope to see you in there as well. And I think you'll enjoy all the learning that you can get in both places. And, stay here with my channel too, because there will be more videos popping up here. All right. And if you missed the first one in this series, be sure to go back and find that link that will be up here that will take you to the playlist just for this. Okay. So anyway, until the next video, I wish you well. Work, practice, practice that energy raising, and have a wonderful day, and blessed be.